We've all been there, prepping for a project, and when we're ready to put things together, the workbench is covered with tools. Add a dedicated assembly table to your shop that's not just a table, but a multifaceted clamping station to make things even easier. The Infinity Dovetail and Doghole worktop and stand will give you space with benefits. The perfect top size for most tasks, and achieve the optimal height with our heavy-duty stand. The top is crisscrossed with half-inch wide dovetail channels to accommodate MicroJig match-fit style dovetail clamps and accessories. Each square in the top also includes a centered and chamfered 3/4 inch wide through hole to work with benchtop clamping systems. The MicroJig match-fit package includes 4 standard dovetail clamps, 4 X-pad clamping feet, and a match-fit hardware variety pack that includes a dozen mounts and stops for the set in 3 different styles. Use the standard clamps alone or build your own clamping calls to make custom clamping arrangements. Solve your assembly space issues with one of our clamping stand systems.